So today also we're going to talk about Eclipse, and then after that execute a program through memory allocation concept. That's what we're going to talk. So first, can someone help me? So which icon should I click on to open my Eclipse? Any idea?
Eclipse.
Eclipse. Okay, so good. Sakshi, can you help me? So
Yes.
once we open in Eclipse, what all to be done? First, what I should create?
First open Eclipse, then go to browse.
So what is that here we are trying to create?
We are creating workspace here.
Super, workspace. After the workspace, what we will create?
After workspace, project.
Project. Okay. After the project?
Then package.
Good. Package.
Yeah. Then class, Java.
Yeah, class. Or it's a Java file. That's
Yeah.
it. Super good. Aprupa, can you help me? So I'm not sure whether you were here when we are creating a workspace. If possible, just give it back. So I want to create a new workspace. So for that, browse, and then I'll go to this location. Okay. So new folder, workspace underscore F7, I'll give. So I have created a workspace. Yeah, just help me how to create a project. 1 minute, let it open.
Okay.
So I don't want this welcome screen. I'll close this. Okay, now can you help me how to create a project?
File. Go
File.
to file. New.
New.
Project.
Project.
Java project.
Java.
Yes. Here Java project.
Java project.
Otherwise, here also we have Java project. So then I'll click on next. So now, Roshan, can you tell me next what we should do here?
Name the project name, project 1.
So project underscore 1, I'll just give.
And keep the Java SE as 0.18.
So this Java SE 1.8 I'm giving, as I have only Java SE 9. Otherwise, we'll go for latest version. Java SE 10, 17, or anything you have, right? Latest version we will go. Okay, so I don't have the latest version, so I'm going with 1.8. I'll click on finish. Directly I can click on finish. So open perspective, it just changes the view. So right now in Java EE, it changes to the Java. See here. Before it was Java EE, now it is Java. Now I'll close this unwanted windows. I'm not going to use these windows. I will close it and make my UI clean. Okay. So next, Aparna, can you help me how to create a package? Any idea? Or Bhavya, can you help me how to create a package?
A file.
Right click on SRC.
Okay.
Next, I want to create a package. New package. So pack 1. Next, China, can you help me to create a class?
Hello.
Yeah. Yes, China, I can hear you.
Go to SRC.
So here I have package. So
Pack,
I'll
pack.
yes.
Right click.
Right click on package.
New. Class.
That's it. So I'll just give my class name as basic. So here in this place, see, if I give package name, actually what? should start with a lowercase. Same thing, class, it should be start with uppercase. Is it mandatory? It's just a warning. So standard practice is to start with an uppercase. And here also, can I use hyphen? No, the only symbol allowed is underscore. Can I use .ebc? Dot
Yes.
also not allowed. Because only in package, the dot represents creating a subfolder. Here, only symbol allowed is underscore.
Only if I create the class with the uppercase, it is giving me a warning.
Package or a class you created with uppercase?
Class.
That is, you're saying actually about everything you created like this.
No, the first letter is uppercase. It is giving me.
For class, it will not give. It might be a package. Okay, for class C, if you start with the lowercase only, it gives me a warning. Okay, so you can recheck once. It might not be a class. Okay, so now I'm going to choose public or package. So I'll choose package now. Next, I'll click on finish. So now, hey, hi, Deepthi.
Yes, Murli.
Can you tell me, in case the modifier, instead of package, if you would have chosen as public, what is the extra keyword would have came and then where it would have came?
Yeah, at line number 3, it'll come as public.
Yes, it will be public class basic. If I choose package, I will not get this keyword here. Super good. Hey, thank you. So next, Gauri Pat, can you help me? I want to increase the font size. Where should I go?
Yeah, you should go to window,
Window.
then font.
So here preferences.
Yes.
Good. Then what I should do? Any idea? In the search box, type font.
Font.
Next.
Type text.
Which one I should choose?
Colors and fonts.
Colors and fonts.
Yes. Here.
Type text.
The first folder, basic.
Yes.
In the last section is text font. Edit. Go for photo. Apply and close. Okay, good. So next. I'll ask. Hey, hi, Krishna.
Yes, Murli.
Yeah, I want my main function. So in which line number it should come and then how?
Into
In line number?
2.
No, main function should be inside the class.
Okay, and then 4.
Yeah. What I should type? Shortcut.
Main control space enter.
Control space.
Enter.
Enter. Good. Then for the system.out.println.
CISO control space enter.
Yeah. In which line number?
I think 4.
No. It should be inside the main function.
6.
Yes. CISO. Control space.
Enter.
Then I'll just give hello. Good. Hey, thank you. So next, Sachin. Hey, hi, Sachin. Okay, I'll ask Sakshi. Hi, Sakshi.
Yes.
So can I, how to execute this program?
Execute, run.
So one option, I can click on run.
Yeah.
Then run, I can give.
Yeah.
Hello, world. Then other option, any other option is there?
Yeah, other option is also there.
Run.
Yeah, run is.
Okay, so here, okay, this one right now. Okay. One option, right click, run as.
Run as Java.
Java
Java
application.
application.
Okay. So next
Yeah.
here also I can right click on the file, run as Java application. Okay. So now tell me, now can I run this program? Is it
No.
possible?
No.
It's not possible because we don't have main method here.
Correct. Only when we have a main function, I can execute a Java program. Say I'm not getting Java application. Okay, so main function is mandatory for us if I want to execute a Java program. See, now I'm getting Java application. Good. Okay. Thanks. So any questions so far? Anyone has any questions so far? Okay. So next, I'll
Only
come.
just one thing. We
Yes.
can create multiple package and multiple class. How
Yes.
the same we are following multiple workplace. No problem in that.
No problem. So usually we will create multiple packages and then multiple class files and then we will work on.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Super. Good. So next, so I'll ask Samira.
Yes,
So what are the types of variables we have?
global and local.
Super. A local variable and then a global variable. So global, how many varieties we have?
Static and non-static.
Static and then non-static. Okay, good. Hey, thank you. So next, Sashida. Sashida, you there?
Yeah.
So now can you help me? So I want to create a local variable. In which line number it should come?
7.
Line number 7. Super. Can you help me? So how to declare and then initialize?
Yeah, any variable you can take.
So can you help me to declare and initialize? I want the variable name is A and value to be 10.
Type of variable.
Any idea? No problem. So Shreesh Chaudhary, can you help us? I want the variable.
Yeah, int a is equal to 10.
So integer a is equal to 10.
Yeah.
So now what is the variable name? Here it is
A.
The value is 10. And then this integer is what here?
Data type.
Data type. So for this variable, this is my reference. That means says to the variable load only integer values, that is load only numbers.
Yeah.
Okay. Good. So next, I'll ask Sridevi.
Yes.
Hey, hi Sridevi. So now can you help me? I want the static variable to be declared and initialized. It is the variable name is x, value is 100.
Okay. Static int x equals to 100 in 4th line.
In the 4th line. Super. Static integer x is equal to 100. Okay. So next, for the non-static variable,
Value.
y is the variable name, value is 200.
Okay. And 5th line int y equals to 200.
Int y is equal to 200. The only thing is it does not have a static key.
Yes.
That's it. Super good. Hey, thank you. So now last, Sujata.
Yes.
Yes, Sujata. Now can you help me to print the local variable? I want to just print it.
Local variable int c is equal to 30.
No. I want
On the
to
8th
print,
line.
I want to print the value of this local variable.
Okay. Then
How can I do that?
CISO system.out.print in double quotes A.
Sorry, CISO.
In the bracket double quotes A, string A.
So in double quotes, if I give A, if I run this program, any idea what will be my output?
A.
10.
No, anything given in double quotes will be treated as a string. So it will come as it is. So if I want to represent the variable, that should be given without double quotes. Got it, right?
Yes, that means without double quotes, it will give that specific value. That means 10.
Correct.
Okay.
Yes. Okay, super. So now can you help me? Now I want to print the global variables. So first one is static. So what is the best practice to refer the static member? Any idea?
To
With
refer
class
this, create
So,
object.
no, for static member, always the reference is actually what? With the help of class name is a static. So what I should give? Any idea?
Variables .x.
So what is my class name here?
Basic.x.
Yes,
Yes.
it is basic.ex. Okay, good. Yeah, thank you, Sujata. So now, I'll ask someone, Diti,
Yes,
can
Murali.
you help me? If I give basic.x, so in the memory allocation diagram, which is the first memory to be created? Any idea? So whenever we execute a program, the memory diagram we used to draw, right? So
Yeah, like it'll go to pool, static pool.
super, that's it. Okay, so the first memory to be created is static pool. So whenever we refer with the help of my class name, always the search will go to the static pool and then it check whether do we have a variable called x. Good. Okay, next. Good, thank you. Next I'll ask. Okay, Aprupa joined yesterday. I'll ask her away from tomorrow. Okay, Gauri Patil. Gauri Patil.
Yes.
Yeah. Now actually what I want to print the value of this non-static variable. I want to use them. So for non-static members, what I should use?
Yeah, we should create first object.
How to create the object?
Static.
No. So we have a keyword called new.
Okay.
New. And then, so
Object.
always objects works with classes. Okay, right? So that means new basic open and close parentheses. This will help me to create the object. Okay. Now I need to name the object and then I need to give the reference. So what I should do? Any idea? Any idea?
No.
Okay. So it's just object name is obj I will give. Now reference I should give. So for that, before the object I'll give basic obj. So this class will say to this object, load only the global members. Okay. So now, Roshan, can you tell me what are all global members in this basic class? What are all my global members?
Global members have static int x is equal to 100 and int y is equals to 100.
200. Anything else apart from these variables are global?
Only those two are the global. And main function.
Yes, even my main function. Okay, this is also global member. Okay, so these all global members might be a static or non-static, might be a variable or might be a function. Everything will be loaded into the object. Okay, good. So next, Krishna, can you tell me how to print the value of y?
CISO control space enter.
Next.
Static while.
So non-static members always can be referred only via object
Object. Okay. Obj.y.
obj.y. See, y is there and also x is there.
Yeah.
Because static members also loaded into the object. So
Okay.
can I access this x member through object, the static member?
Yes.
Yes, it's possible. obj.x. Then static members can be referred in any other way.
Class name, using class name.
With help of class name, we have referred. Any other way? Class name, object name, and then any other option?
Variable.
Directly with the variable name also. So static members alone can be referred in 3 ways. One is with help of class name, object name, and then the variable. Non-static members can be referred only via object. Okay, right? Everyone clear?
Yes.
Super. Good. Okay. So now I want to explain one program. So I want you guys to help me on executing this program. Okay, before executing this, I'll give a short break for you all. Okay, I don't want you to sit in front of system. Okay, take a short break for a 5 minutes. Then after that, we will take this program. Okay, go for a break. Don't sit in front of system. So after 5 minutes, you guys can come. Then we will execute this program. Okay, so through memory diagram, how can we execute? And then so far we have seen only for declare variable initialize, then print. Now we are going to reinitialize. That means already there was a value for a variable. I am going to replace the value. Okay, that's what we are going to see. Okay, go for a break for 5 minutes, then we'll come back. Okay, thank you. A short break for 5 minutes. Yes. Okay. Good. I'm back. So is everyone back? Can you just ping in the chat window? Can you ping in the chat window once you guys are back? Good. Good. Okay, good guys. So now let me start executing this program. So once when we execute the program, so for me, a memory is created. This is my memory. So now, Aprupa, can you help me? So what is the first memory to be created once we...
Static pool.
Super. The first memory to be created is static pool. Sorry. Yes, static pool here. Okay. So then, what are the members will be loaded here? Aprupa, any idea? What are the static members that will be loaded into the static pool?
Static int I is equals to 10 and
Yes.
j is equal to 20.
So static int I is equal to 10. So if you see, we have a static keyword. That's why it's a static member. Int j. What type of member is this?
Non-static.
Non-static. So only static members will be loaded into static pool. So int j will it be loading here?
No.
No.
Okay, it will not be loaded. Apart from that, any other static member we have in this class?
Main method.
Main method.
Public static void.
Yes, public static void main. This also will be loaded here. So for that, I'll just write it in shortcut right now. Public static void main string arguments. Okay, so I'll just give string arguments that will be loaded here. Hey, good. Hey, thanks, Abrova. Next, Bhavya. Hey, hi, Bhavya. Now, what will happen? For me, all the static members are loaded. Apart from next, what should happen? So static members are loaded into the static pool. Next, what should happen? Any idea?
Next.
So what memory to be created after this?
Int j equal to 20.
No. So for me, my main function starts to execute. Okay. Right? If my main function starts to execute, so any memory should be created for it. Any idea?
Yes.
So it should create a local memory for my main function. Local memory for public static void main. Correct. So local memory for the public static void main. Yes. Okay. Now my main function started to execute. System.out.println I. So now, China, can you tell me now? System.out.println I. When I give, what will happen?
System.out.println.
So I'm trying to print the variable called I. So so when I give only by the variable name, where the search should go?
Only local.
Goes to the local memory. Here, do we have a I variable?
No. Int I equal to 20.
No.
Local. Go to main method, I think.
System.out.println I. So yeah. I'm trying to print the variable I. So now only when I give variable, the I variable name alone, the search goes to the local memory you put.
Local memory.
Here, do I have I variable?
No. Go to main static pool.
Yes, if I don't have the I variable in this local memory, it goes to the static pool. Here do we have I variable? Yes,
Yeah.
the value is 10. Clear, right?
Yes.
Now I equal to 20. Hey, thanks, Chinna. So next, Deepthi.
Yes, Murli.
Yeah, I equal to 20. So are we trying to declare or are we trying to reinitialize actually what the I variable value here? Any idea?
Yeah, maybe we are reinitializing it.
Correct. So whenever we give with the data type reference, right, integer, that the data type comes, then only it's like creating a new memory. If I have only the variable name allotments, it's like already there is a memory. We are trying to reinitialize that value. So now when I give I equal to 20, only referring by variable name, where the search should go?
Local memory.
To the local memory. Here do we have I variable?
No, so it will go to static pool.
It will go to static pool. So here we have a I variable. Now the value is 10. What should happen now?
It will get replaced with the 20.
Correct. It should be replaced with 20. That's it. Everyone clear on this part, guys? Everyone clear, right? So
Yes.
only when I have variable name, and then if I'm going to assign a value, it is like I'm trying to reinitialize actually what the value for the existing variable. Okay, good. Hey, thank you. Now Gauri Patel.
Murli, here automatically that value get that specific space or memory. For an example, previously we have given I is equal to 10 and now it is I is equal to 20. So how they'll take the place, first will what or second will what?
So when we execute the program, first actually what global members are loaded into the static pool if it is a static member, correct?
Yes.
Then only my main function starts to execute, correct?
Yes.
So step by step, line by line only execution happens. Okay, so that's the reason actually what after this in the static pool the members are loaded. Then when we are executing main function, now only the reinitialization has happened.
Okay, that means after execution of first line of code only this second take place, which is I
Second
is
line
equal
will
to
be
20.
executed, correct?
Okay, got
Okay,
it.
now the third line, then next to fourth line. So line by line only everything will be executed. Then only if we have any memory to be captured, it goes and captures the memory.
Okay.
Till that it does not occupy anything. Now it's clear, right?
Yes, yes.
Super. Now system.out.println I. So what is the value? TP. Can you say system.out.println I? So where the search will go?
Local memory.
Super. Why local memory? Any idea?
Because we just gave variable name.
Super. Only by variable name and search goes to local memory. Then here do we have a I variable? No. From here where it should go?
To the static pool.
To the static pool. The value is 20 now. So 20 will be printed. Yes. So next, Krishna.
Yes, Murli.
So now I'm giving integer I equal to 50. Now tell me declaration initialization I'm doing. That means am I trying to create a new variable or I'm trying to reassign the value for the existing variable? What we are doing here?
I think we are not, we are declaring, right, Murli?
Correct. Declaration and then initialization.
Yeah.
So what should happen?
I think this 50 will get replaced from the static pool.
No. See, previously we gave I equal to 20.
Yeah.
This is the place we are trying to reinitialize.
Okay.
Whenever a data types follows, so that means we are trying to create a new memory.
Okay.
Okay. So that when I give integer I equal to 50, that means I'm trying to create a new variable. So right now I'm executing main function. That means where this variable will be created, in which memory? It should be
Local memory.
Local.
it should be created in my local memory. Okay, so that means what type of variable is this?
Local.
Local variable. That's it.
Okay.
Clear, right?
Yeah.
Good. Okay. Hey, thanks, Krishna. Next, Roshan.
Yes.
Now system.out.println I. So now what should happen?
It will print the local memory with 50.
So the search goes to local memory. Now do we have I variable? Yes. The value is 50. 50 will be printed. Okay, good. So next, I equal to I plus 20. Okay, so next, Sachin.
Yeah, Murli.
Okay, so I is equal to I plus 20. So here I don't have anything, the data type integer, all those things. So directly I equal to I plus 20. So first we'll take I plus 20. So I plus 20 is that. So whenever I refer only by variable name, where the search should go?
Static.
No. Refer only by variable name means?
Yeah. It's local, I think so.
It goes to local. So goes to the local memory. Do I have I variable here now?
Yes, Murli.
The value is 50. So that means 50 plus 20. 50 plus 20, that becomes as 70. That 70, where I'm trying to actually what? Reinitialize. If I refer only by variable name, where the search will go?
Local.
To the local memory. So here do I have I variable?
Yeah, 50. Yeah, it's will be.
So now what should happen?
70. 70.
That will replace by 50 to 70. Okay. Is this step everyone clear? Everyone clear, guys?
Yes.
Okay, right? Good. So next, system.out.println I. So I'll ask Sakshi.
Yes.
So system.out.println I. Only refer by variable names where the search should go.
It will go to local memory.
Yes. Here, do I have I variable?
Yes, 70.
So the 70 will be printed.
Print.
Okay. Next, I is equal to global 2.I plus 20. Okay. So now, Samira. So I equal to global local 2.I. So here we don't have any integer that data type we don't have. So that means we are trying to initialize or we are trying to create a new memory.
We are trying to create a new one.
No. So here we have integer. This place we are trying to create a new memory. Here we have integer creating a new memory. Here also.
Yeah.
So these places and all we are trying
So
to
we are reinitializing.
Reinitialize. Okay. So first thing will come here. Global local 2.I. So what is this global local 2? That's my class name.
Yes.
Whenever I refer a variable with help of class name, where the search will go?
Class name. It would go to the static.
Super. Simple. Correct. So whenever we refer with help of class name, always search goes to static pool. So here do we have I variable? Yes. The value is 20. So 20 plus 20 becomes as 40. So this 40, where I'm trying to actually what? Reinitialize?
Yeah, to I.
To I. So whenever we refer only by variable name, where the search will go?
Local.
Local memory. Here already we have 70. That should be replaced with
by 40.
40. That's it. Okay. Very good. So next I'll ask Shresh Chaudhary.
Yes.
So next, so I have replaced to 40. Now system.out.println I.
It will print 40.
So refer only by variable name is where the search will go?
Local memory.
So the local memory. The value of I is 40 now. Yes. Next thing, global local 2.I. So can you tell me, Shresh Chaudhary? So
Yeah,
referring to of class name means where the search should go?
Static pool, it will print 20.
Yes. Refer by class name means search goes to static pool. The I variable value is 20. Super. Good. A. Thank you. So next I'll ask Sridevi.
Yes, Murli.
So next. So global local 2.I equal to global local 2.I plus 25. Okay. So here, am I trying to reinitialize or am I trying to create a new variable? What I'm trying to do here?
Trying to initialize, I think. It
Super.
look like an object.
No, it's not. It's like we are trying to reinitialize because I don't have any reference as a data type reference here, integer or something. That's why we are trying to reinitialize to the previous old variable. Okay. So now I'll come here. Global local 2.8. Referring with the help of class names, where search should go?
Static pool.
Super. What is the I value?
20.
20. So that is 20 plus 25 will be 45. This 45. Now I'm trying to store where? Global local 2.8. Now what should happen?
Globe 45.
Global local 2.8. That means referring the I variable with help of class name.
Static pool. It will be the value will be stored in static pool, new value.
Super. Goes to static pool. The I variable value is what right now? 20.
40.
That will be replaced with 45.
45.
Super. Very good. Good, Sridevi. Next. Sujata.
Yes.
So I equal to global local 2.I plus 25. So I don't have anything, the data type reference here. Am I trying to create a new variable or am I trying to reinitialize the old variable?
Reinitialize.
Super, reinitialize. Okay. Now tell me here, global local 2.I. So when I refer with help of class name, where the search will go?
Static pool.
Static pool. Okay. So what is the I value that is?
45.
So 45 plus 25 becomes as 70. Okay. 45 plus 25 becomes as 70. So now I'm trying to reinitialize the value of I. So whenever I refer only by variable name, where the search should go?
Local variable.
Local memory. So here I value is 40. That should be replaced with
70.
Clear, right?
Yes.
Good. Okay. Next I'll ask Aprupa.
Yes.
Yeah. So can you tell me now system.println I. System.println I. So refer only by variable name is where search should go.
Static pool.
Referring only by variable name. The next one is referring with help of class name. So first one, referring only by variable name is where search should go.
Static pool.
No, only by variable name always goes to the local memory.
Okay, I 70.
Yes, so the value is 70. Next, actually, what? Global local 2.I. So that is referring with help of my class name. Now where the search will go? So where the search will go when I refer with help of class name? Simple. It goes to the static pool. Okay.
Static.
So in the static pool, the value of I is 45. Okay. So then now, thank you. Now it comes out of the main function. So for me, the main memory is deleted, comes out of the entire class, static pool, and then the complete memory is deleted. By whom?
Garbage collector.
Garbage collector. Okay, super, good guess. So now tell me once again, referring. Okay, I'll just simply write it like this. When you refer with only help of variable name, where the search will go. When you refer with the help of a class name, where the search will go. Okay, when you refer a variable directly by the variable name alone. So where the search will go?
Local memory.
Local memory.
Local memory. When you refer them with help of my class name?
Static pool.
Static pool.
Static pool. Clear, right? If I don't have that variable in the local memory, from the local memory where the search will go?
Static pool.
Correct. From there, it will go to static pool. Got it, right? So always by only by variable name, the search will go to local memory. If we have, it takes the memory from there. If we don't have only, it goes to the static pool. Clear for everyone?
Yes.
So that is what this
Yes.
entire program is about. Okay. Okay, I just want a poll. Can everyone just fill this poll? So this is very basic. You have to understand this because then only going further, you guys will feel a little bit easy for you. Okay, so someone has a doubt, right? Who is that? You have a doubt, you can ask me question, I can help you. If you have a doubt.
From local memory, why again it is going in static pool?
Because if we don't have that variable in my local memory, so then it should go to the static pool. But if I have the same memory, I variable is there. Okay, if I have it, it takes from the local memory. Got it, right? If we don't have, it goes to the static pool. So the initial stage, right? The first 3 lines of code, do we have actually what the I variable in the local memory? In the 4th line only we created. Okay, right? So till the first 3 lines, we don't have I variable in my local memory. So whenever I give I, it goes to local memory. We don't have it, it goes to the static. From the 3rd, 4th line only, we created a local memory of I variable here. Now, from this line onwards, when we refer by variable name, search goes to local memory and then it takes the I variable value from here itself. Is that clear?
Okay, that means you are saying first it will go to local memory. If the value is there stored, then again it will come to a static pool.
Correct. If we have that variable in the local memory, takes and then fetches. If we don't have, then goes to static pool and then fetch the value.
Okay.
Clear, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay, good. Okay, good guys. So the last one. So just want you to fill this again, the same thing, the feedback. I just want everyone to fill it. So in case if you want anything to be changed in my way of teaching, that also you guys can help me to understand so that you can tell me, I can just change accordingly.
Murli, I am having a doubt.
Yes.
Yeah, it is a question from last quiz. It was like, can I have the same global variable name for my local variable?
Yes. So here, if you see static int I equal to 10, that's a global variable. And then here we have integer I equal to 50. That's my local variable. Yes, we can have.
Yes.
Okay, right?
Yeah.
Super good.
It's
Okay,
only
yes.
the difference that the global variable have this static, if it is static, right?
Sorry, come again.
Means global variable, and if it is static, so it will only have a static word. That word static it will have.
Correct.
And yeah, rest all can be same.
Correct. Yes. Yes. In static int I equal to 10, integer j equal to 20. Here also integer I equal to 50.
Yeah.
The place actually what where we are going to declare it represents whether it is a local or a global. And then if it is global, if we have a static keyword, it's a static variable. Otherwise, it's a non-static variable.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Good. Okay. So I want every one of you to be strong on basic. Okay. So today I have executed this. Okay. So the same program I want, okay, you to execute this. Okay. The same program I want you to execute with help of this memory allocation diagram. Okay, don't execute things directly and then give me the output. So take a paper and pen, then execute it line by line. Then after that, everyone, I hope so you have your Eclipse. Okay, so in your Eclipse, paste the code, then run it and check whether you're able to actually get the same output 10, 20, 50. See, 10, 20, 50, 70, 40, 20. 70, 40, 20, 70, 45, 70, 45. Yes, my output is correct. So like that, you have to reconfirm whether the execution from Eclipse and then your output is same. So yes, Deepti, yes. So yes. So most of the sessions I'm repeating the same because first initially actually what I want every one of you to be strong on the basics. So because if I go simple thing, if I take it step by step and then if I go forward, right? So I will complete the session, but end of the day, I want you guys also to code along with me. Okay, because that's why I say actually what outside they complete the entire sessions by within 45 days, but I take it for 2.5 months, and then sometimes it goes actually what extra a week or something, right? Because reason is along with me, I want you to code. So for that, there is some extra effort I need to put, and then I need to make you also to put. So yes, the session will take for sure 2.5 months to 3 months, guys. Okay, but why it will go also? So you would have seen in my session so far, because I repeatedly take the same thing, and then main thing is actually what I want you to code. So that is not simple. It takes actually what time and effort from my side and then your side also. Okay, so for sure, guys, it will take 2.5 months to 3 months for sure, the session to complete. Okay, but simple. You guys are not paying to me actually to see actually what another person coding. That is the trainer. It's easy actually. What I know everything. Okay, explaining the topic, and then if I want to write and then execute the code, right, it takes a very less time. But the same thing, making you understand and then making you to code, right, it takes actually what triple the effort. Okay, not double the time, triple the time it will take. Okay, right. So that's why it takes some time. Okay, cool. So any questions, guys, for anyone? Anyone has any other questions? So, but are you guys
Is this
comfortable? And then
homework you're giving to us, or just now we want to do this?
what is this? No, I have given this program for you to try it in your home later, not now.
Okay, okay, fine.
Okay, guys, I just need to know. So, is that you want me to increase my teaching speed, or you want? Can we go with the same speed? Just to know that. Just I need some idea. Is that speed is fine? Because main thing is I want you to code along with me. That's why. Okay, cool. So 25% of class, they also want to increase the speed little bit. Okay, I'll do one thing. A little bit, I'll try to increase it, but not much. But I'll try to increase it a little bit. So in case if you guys are feeling that actually what I'm going out of the boundary and then I'm making it fast means, Okay, so from tomorrow onwards, I'll try to little bit increase the speed. Okay, good. Okay, yes. So I'm also going to send the payment link today to you all. So hope so. This I actually thought to give 3-4 sessions, free sessions, but actually I thought, okay, let me give 6 to 7 sessions, and then after that, actually, what it'll be good for you to make me understand whether my speed, and then you guys are all comfortable with my way of teaching. That's why. So I will just send you the payment link. In case if you have done the payment, I want you to send me a screenshot to my mail or to my WhatsApp number. So consultancy is actually what from Naresh side. So Naresh will be collecting the fees. So from my side, actually what you guys can send me a screenshot in my mobile or my email so that I will have a reference. Okay. So make sure you're informing me, then only I can have a track. Otherwise, I might lose it. Okay. Thanks, guys. So with this, I'll stop for today. Anything you can ping me in WhatsApp or you can mail me. Thank you. Have a good day. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Thanks, everyone.
Thank you.